Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the Milky Way text effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so first go to media and select black screen. Select text to add the text, select default text as for duration and submit. And change border text, font style, font color, and font size. Or free. Alright, change border font style, font size, and font color. Alright, and after done, you are just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to effect and select video effect and select star. Scroll down until you find the Milky Way. So there are Milky Way 1 and 2. And you're going to select Milky Way 2 and just for the filters and then speed. So you can see for the final result. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.